as the title suggests, we're doing a revival today. This wig on my head, this bush needs a revival immediately. And you see that bob right there? It's the same wig. It is. Right there, I can't run my fingers through my hair, and that's with brushing. And now I can with ease. Give me 10 minutes of your time, and let me change your wig game right now. Stay tuned. So I can explain. I can explain. Um, we're gonna be doing a revival today, which obviously this desperately needs. Like it's pretty stiff, you know. It's pretty stiff, but we're gonna be fixing that today, as well as I can explain this because first of all, this hair was not good from the start. This hair was not good. Then I dyed bad hair. Like I bleached and dyed bad hair. Then I threw it in a bag when I was moving out of my apartment, and then just let that bag roll around in my closet for 3 months. So that's how we got here. That's how we got here. And like it's a joke. It's a joke. Oh my gosh, like it's so funny. But I'm gonna show you guys how to revive it. You know, it's not a lost cause. There's never a lost cause. Like we can do something cute with this because I like the color. I love a bob. So we're gonna fix this today. And if you want to see that, stay tuned. So here's the star of the show today. It is Silicone Mix, and I got it for $5.99 at my local beauty supply store. You can get yours there as well, or Amazon, even though Amazon's gonna tax you, but that's up to you. Moving on, I'm using boiling hot water and pouring it into this basin here. And then I'm taking the silicone mix and I dump about a tablespoon and a half because it's just a bob, so I don't need that much. And now I'm mixing it up so that it like doesn't have those big chunks anymore. It's like fully dissolved into the water. So once that's fully dissolved, I put my wig in it and I slow the clip down for you so you can see it in real time. So I just dip it in gradually, like in and out, just so all the hair gets the silicone on it. And so then once I do that, I leave it in the water, make sure it's fully covered, and I leave it in there for about 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, I took it out of the water. Be careful, it's still kind of hot. And I'm brushing it to detangle it because when I was trying to brush it before, it was not working out. As you guys saw, like that hair was tangled. But now with the silicone mix on it, it was much easier to detangle because it provided a lot of slip. So once I finished brushing that out, I dumped out the water and rinsed the hair. You can see the water is very red, so a lot of my dye came out, but my hair still looks the same color. So like if you're doing this uncolored hair, you don't have to worry. And so now I'm just rinsing it out because like the silicone mix has a strong smell. Like it's not a bad smell, but it's like grandma's perfume, if you know what I mean. Like literally, I had this wig in my room overnight and my whole room smelled like silicone mix the day after. So it was really weird and really strong, but all for the sake of the wig, it's okay. Now I'm using the Aussie Mega Moist shampoo on my hair. And I use I think they call it a quarter size amount. I don't know the amounts that these people call it, but I'm just using a bit and shampooing my hair. I don't have to shampoo too much because this hair was washed before I kind of put it in that bag and stored it away. So it wasn't really that dirty, but you know, to get that smell out, I used the shampoo. After rinsing it, I put in the Aussie Mega Moist conditioner, and again, that quarter size amount, whatever they call it, onto my hair, and then make sure it gets all over each strand because we don't want to reverse what we just did. And so once I do that, I kind of comb my hair so we're not putting back tangles into there. And then I let it sit in a basin for about 15 minutes, so let it deep condition a bit. So after those 15 minutes, I rinsed the conditioner out of my hair and then was combing it a bit. And then I put it onto my mannequin head and towel dried it. Once I finished towel drying, I let it sit for about 3 hours to air dry. It's up to you how long you want your hair to air dry, but I did that so it'd be easier for me to blow dry. Now I'm using this turn up the heat protectant and spraying it all over the wig so that it doesn't have too much heat damage, even though, this hair's already damaged a bit. And then I'm using high heat because I was trying to make this process go by fast. Once my hair was blow dried fully, I straightened the hair. This isn't really a straightening tutorial, but what I did was I sprayed the heat protectant on each strand, and I used the chase method when I straighten. So I comb my hair as I'm straightening, so the straightener is following the comb as I do it. Again, it's not really a straightening tutorial, but that's what I do. Alright, so this is the hair after I washed it and everything. It's so soft. It's like so soft. Like I can run my fingers through it. You see that? I'm just like, before I was doing this little thing, but now it's like, okay. So that's nice. However, we still do need to cut it. Like I really don't know what I was thinking when I cut it before. I think because I wore it curly, so I curled my hair. So I think you just couldn't tell because how I curled it. But you'll see what I'm talking about. Like, what is this? It's really giving Karen. This is giving Karen. It's okay, we're gonna fix it. Pretty much what I'm gonna do to it is I am gonna cut it like I don't know what's going on here. Then like kind of make it more even, so not as much of a Karen angle. Don't know why I did that. Something about these ends make it just like kind of, dude, you know that thing where just, you know what I'm saying? Like that thing where it just like curves. I don't know why it does. I don't like that. It looks so like fake to me. So I like a slight bump, just like a slight type of bump. But anyways, gonna just make it go like this more, and then we're gonna go from there. Also, gotta plug this. 2019 me, I don't know. This was literally the end of 2019, like December. Like I don't know. But gonna like pluck the actual edges and like just make this look nice. You'll see. Okay, so update. The wig is cut much better now. I cut it on my sister's head because like trying to cut a bob on my own head was not working out. But every time I cut on like my canvas head, it's not the shape of my head, I guess. So it would just backfire. Anyways, it's looking much better now. Might have to do like a little touching up here and there. But next step is to do this lace. Like I really don't know what I was thinking when I did this lace before. Like what type of part is this? It's like what lace where, and the lace is right there in your face. I don't know, but it's not stiff anymore, so you know. So this is a whole brand new wig. Like I can run my fingers through it. Look at, before it was getting stuck up here, just like. Now I can run my fingers through it. I can, stiff wear. I did some cutting because the ends I think were kind of messed up. So I cut the ends a bit and then plucked the top so it lays flatter and just looks better that way. And I am so happy with this now. I can actually wear this wig out without it looking a mess. Yeah, so basically that silicone mix is a miracle mix because I did not think it could get to this. It's like even better than how I got it first. Like when I first dyed it, it's better than that. Like what? So yeah, just follow those steps I showed you and you can have a whole new wig. I'm just gonna drop this here as a reminder of where we started. In case you forgot, this wig was ready for the trash can, the dumpster, but now it looks like this. There are no excuses for bad wigs in 2020. There are no lost causes, except when it comes to men, but I digress. Send this to a friend that might need a little help with their wigs, or just subscribe to my channel because I have so much content on the way and already here, so check it out. I hope you all have a great day.